Nvidia, the powerhouse of graphics processing units, recently unveiled its Q2 earnings report for fiscal year 2025. The company shattered analyst predictions, reporting $30 billion in revenue. This represents a 122% surge compared to last year. The data center segment, crucial for AI applications, drove this performance. It saw a 154% revenue increase, reaching $26.3 billion. Despite record-breaking numbers, Nvidia's stock dipped in after-hours trading. This reaction puzzled many investors, questioning the market's logic. The dip might be due to the high bar set by Nvidia's past successes. The stock market is a complex ecosystem, driven by a multitude of factors, including investor psychology. Nvidia's recent stock dip, despite its impressive earnings report, underscores this complexity. One plausible explanation for this counterintuitive market reaction is the phenomenon of profit-taking. Nvidia's stock has been on an upward trajectory for quite some time, generating substantial gains for investors. After such a period of significant growth, it's not uncommon for some investors to opt for cashing in on their profits. This selling pressure, even if driven by a desire to secure gains rather than a lack of confidence in the company, can temporarily push the stock price down. Furthermore, the decline could also be attributed to the market's forward-looking nature, as investors constantly anticipate future performance. Nvidia's meteoric rise in recent years is deeply intertwined with the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. The company's GPUs, specifically designed for high-performance computing, have become the gold standard for powering AI applications. From self-driving cars to algorithms analyzing massive datasets, Nvidia's chips are the invisible force driving the AI revolution. This dominance in the AI hardware market is a result of Nvidia's strategic foresight and relentless innovation. Recognizing the transformative potential of AI early on, Nvidia invested heavily in research and development, creating specialized GPUs optimized for AI workloads. As AI continues to permeate various industries, the demand for Nvidia's powerful GPUs is only expected to soar, further solidifying its dominance. While Nvidia's prowess in AI has garnered significant attention, the company's success story extends beyond this single market. Nvidia has strategically positioned itself as a key player in various other high-growth sectors, creating a diversified revenue stream. One such sector is the gaming industry, where Nvidia has long been a household name. Gamers worldwide covet Nvidia's GeForce GPUs, known for their exceptional graphics rendering capabilities. Beyond gaming, Nvidia is also making significant inroads into the automotive industry with its drive platform, providing the computational horsepower required for autonomous driving. As automakers increasingly embrace self-driving capabilities, Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on this emerging market. This diversification strategy, coupled with its leadership in AI, paints a promising picture of Nvidia's future. Nvidia's future appears undeniably bright, illuminated by the transformative potential of technologies like AI and autonomous driving. The company's strategic positioning and commitment to innovation suggest it is well equipped to navigate the evolving technological landscape. The demand for high-performance computing is only expected to intensify in the coming years. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, its appetite for computational power will grow exponentially, playing right into Nvidia's strengths. Similarly, the automotive industry's transition towards autonomous driving presents another significant growth avenue for Nvidia's drive platform. However, the tech industry is known for its fierce competition, and Nvidia will need to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead. Additionally, global supply chain disruptions and shortages of critical components could pose challenges for Nvidia's growth trajectory. Nvidia's stock, much like the company itself, has been on a remarkable journey, characterized by periods of rapid growth and occasional turbulence. While the long-term trend has been overwhelmingly positive, investors need to be prepared for the inherent volatility that comes with investing in a company at the forefront of technological innovation. Nvidia's stock price is often influenced by factors beyond its control, broader market trends, geopolitical events, and even shifts in investor sentiment towards the technology sector can impact its stock performance. The recent dip, despite stellar earnings, is a testament to this volatility. Investors, accustomed to Nvidia's consistent overachievement, might react strongly to even the slightest hint of a slowdown. However, for investors willing to weather the storms, Nvidia's long-term growth potential remains enticing. The question on many investors' minds is whether Nvidia's recent stock dip presents a golden opportunity. The answer is not a simple yes or no. It requires weighing the company's strengths against potential risks. Nvidia possesses all the hallmarks of a compelling investment: its dominance in the AI hardware market and its strategic diversification into other high-growth sectors. However, investors must acknowledge the inherent volatility of Nvidia's stock. For long-term investors, Nvidia's recent dip might present a buying opportunity that we need. Want to stay updated on the latest tech and investment news? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis. Let me know your thoughts on Nvidia's investment potential in the comments below.